up, guys? Welcome to Jack Brick Classrooms, Quarantine Edition. All right, this is my classroom. Come on in. Hey, welcome to Coach Malloy's class, Civics and Economics Honors. I've been all over Western Europe. I backpacked through there. I drove cross country. I basically just travel as much as possible. I'm also huge into sports and fitness, and I'm a history buff. Okay. We're going to do discussion boards, we're going to do digital escape rooms, we're going to do a lot of writing, we're going to do writing assessments, research papers, we're going to look into Supreme Court decisions, we're going to learn into the Constitution, deep dive into the Constitution, we're going to look at certain events currently and in the past that are deemed as constitutional, unconstitutional. We'll look at the Constitution through a loose-fitting lens, which is basically you can take something and interpret it in many different ways, and then we'll look at it through the strict way, which is word for word, this is what it is.